All right, what's up, Tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be giving you guys an update on Numbers Protocol. All right, now, if you haven't been watching my videos for Number Protocol, the technical analysis is just on point. I mean, you can't deny it. Okay, we're going to look at 3 chart patterns that I charted up for you guys to be aware of the possible bearishness in Numbers Protocol, and they're playing out. I mean, they're just playing out the way that chart patterns play out. Okay. We have 2 head and shoulders that played out back to back. Okay. If we look here, here was our initial left shoulder, our initial head, our initial right shoulder. Boom. We dropped down and hit those price targets, baby. Then again, we tried to rally, created another head and shoulders in between trying to rally. Okay. Here's our left shoulder here, our head right here, and then a right shoulder again. And we drop back down and hit the price targets for the head and shoulders. Okay. Now we're going to zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit more clear. And we're going to go to the 4-hour chart. All right. And I'm going to show you guys the bear flags that I've been charting on Numbers Protocol. Right. And essentially we had a bear flag right here. Okay. So a bear flag is when you see this sharp drop. Okay. And we're moving straight in one section. And then we have a little bit of a consolidation phase. Okay. Where we're trying to recover a little bit. It's trying to recover. All right. But we break out of that recovery. And, we basically, here's exactly what I did, guys. Okay. Is if you click here, you can hit clone and it'll just duplicate that drawing. And then as you can see here, all I did was duplicate that drawing and we hit the price target perfectly. Okay. So we had a breakout from our bull flag here, right? Where we had this bullish channel. All right. And, that's essentially what a bear flag is a sharp drop down. And then you have a bullish channel. And then you wait for the break of that bullish channel. It'll take you back down to your bearish price targets. All right. And then when that happened, that's when I charted you guys up the 2 multiple head and shoulders in a row that we had. And I said, hey, we're going to have another possible bear flag forming here. And if we break below this, we could come all the way down to 0.06. Now, we haven't hit that price target yet. Yeah, I sound super bearish on this coin right now, but I'm a big bull on Numbers Protocol long term, right? So everything is just about perspective, right? You have to know, all right, whenever I buy something, am I buying for a long-term position hold? Am I buying for a 1 to 5 year to 10-year position hold? Or am I just trying to swing trade this or day trade this to get some possible quick gains, quick returns on my money? So if you're a long-term investor, what you need to do is you need to figure out what price levels are going to be good for you to get in at. All right. The bottom of our chart is this level right here, the 0.06. All right. So these are some really great investment opportunities, in my opinion. I mean, let's just look at where the price is right now. From the price is right now all the way up to its previous highs, 909%, guys. I mean, 900%, that's big gains. Now, is that going to happen overnight? No. What's going to happen is you're going to need the next crypto bull market to go in effect. And you're going to, the peak of the next crypto bull market could take us to our previous all-time highs, or it could take us to newer highs, right? Now, we don't really know for sure what's going to happen there, but the analysis I've been giving you guys is on point. I mean, it can't get any better for Numbers Protocol. All right, let's zoom in here. And, I've been charting it out for you guys the whole time on the chart. Here was our first head and shoulders pattern, okay? Then I gave you guys the supply and demand zones as we fell into this area right here. After we completed the head and shoulder, I said, hey, this is basically a supply zone right here. And if we're not going to be able to find demand and turn this supply zone into a demand zone, we're going to drop lower into this demand zone right here. And what do you know? We bounced perfectly off of it. And, at the time when I made that video, I drew this up. I said, hey, we might consolidate a little bit, rally up, and then drop back down. And I mean, just look at how well the price action followed these drawings. Okay. We came over, dipped a little bit, rallied up a little bit, dipped back down. We came up. All right. And then eventually we come over and we come back down and we fall create a bear flag here, which is our first bear flag, right? Now we're in our second bear flag right here, and we're trying to see if we're going to get confirmation of the full price target taking us down to 0.06, right? So, crypto has been a little bullish here lately. If you look at Bitcoin or any of those things, we have seen a nice spike in that, but you're not seeing that spike necessarily in numbers protocol, right? The reason being for this is it's an altcoin. It's not something that's got trillions of dollars, 10, 20 billion dollars of investments into it, right? But I have a really great video, essentially covering what makes number protocol so great and what makes it stand out from the others. And I think you're really going to like that video. Okay. It's right here to the right. Go ahead and click on that video now if you're interested.